So today I'm going to show you how to install the Orbit B-hyve smart Wi-Fi indoor fancy pants doohickey sprinkler controller. Not sponsored. Look how nice she looks. All right, hey guys, so I haven't been doing much on the old YouTubes lately, but I have a new sprinkler controller. Well, I've had it for like 4 months, and today I am going to attempt to put it in. So let's go. All right, so we've got the Orbit B-hyve smart Wi-Fi indoor sprinkler timer. It's an 8-zone station. I only have 7 zones currently on this ancient artifact, and I need to update this because I am tired of manually turning it on when I need to water a specific zone. So I am not a professional, and I'm certainly not an electrician, so this is not professional electrical advice. This is just me showing you how I put in this Orbit B-hyve sprinkler controller thing. So, step 1. Unplug the controller. Check. All right, so as you can see down here, these are marked station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in this box, there was room for more. They just weren't used here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these corresponding ones and match them to the new one in the same spot so my zones stay the same. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of these wires. I'm gonna document where they are. That way I can go ahead and pull this off of the wall and mount the other one. So a quick picture. And that tells me exactly where things need to be. No turning back now. All right, now that I've taken this off of the wall, all I have to do is mount this one on the wall, which there's already a screw here that will work, and match the wires up. Pretty freaking easy. So I have successfully attached all of the wires to the corresponding terminals. It was pretty freaking easy. All I had to do was take a picture of the old one and copy and paste it here. Not difficult at all. Pretty much anybody can do it. All right, so now Orbit's telling me I need to download the B-hyve app. So here we go. We got the B-hyve app. Let's download it. All right, so setup is pretty simple. Or so it seems. It says my device is powered on. Yep. We've found a device. Please confirm. Blah blah blah. All right, connecting to device. Device found. All right. Connect to the internet. Connect. This may take up to 2 minutes. So it's taken me like 8 attempts to finally get this thing to log in and accept the password for my internet. I don't know if that's a common thing for everybody, but literally it took me like 8 tries. So I'm finally in, I'm putting in all my information, Hopefully she'll be ready to go in just a minute. All right, so update. Look out. All right, so update. I had 2 green wires and only one of them was used, and apparently I put the wrong one in zone 1. So now, as you can see, zone 1 is working. That's pretty nifty. When you finish testing, it allows you to name the zone. So I'm gonna name this front yard. Done. Now testing zone 2. Would you look at that? It turned on like it's supposed to. Water in here. All right. Zone 2, done. We're testing zone 3. Zone 3? Zone 3? Where are you? Nothing from zone 3. Alright guys, so update. I lost connection with it halfway through the process of setting it up. So what I had to do was I had to exit out of the app, and then when I got back into the app, it wouldn't let me go back into the setup procedure. So what I was able to do is there's an area where you put in your zones, and I was able to enable all of the zones that I had, and I'm testing them now. So we got zone 4, obviously that's working. Stop that. Zone 5. And when you go into the app, it lets you do a test, and you can say, all right, hey, I want to do a test for 5 minutes. So far I'm really liking the ability that this gives me to set up and use any zone that I want at any time that I want. So yeah, so if you look right here, these suckers are going. Flowers are looking beautiful. The missus chose some beautiful flowers. They are coming in great. Look at that. All right, so stop that. Oh, that's freaking cool. After installing this, I can safely say that it is super simple and that pretty much anybody will be able to do it. This allows me to do a way more custom schedule, which is something that I really like, especially when I'm getting ready to be doing some seeding. I'm gonna do some plugging and some stuff where certain areas of the lawn are gonna require more water than others. So this is gonna make my life so much easier. All right guys, so one of the reasons I chose this over some of the other sprinkler controllers is the price. This is only $67 on Amazon. So it's super cheap and super simple to install. For me, it's a win-win. It was not difficult to set up, and I think you're gonna really enjoy it. All right guys, that's all I've got for today. I love you and I appreciate you watching. If you liked what I've shown you here, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good YouTube jazz. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.